Hello guys, I am Shubham from ShubhVed Tutorials. This video is about sex-limited traits and sex-influenced traits. In the previous video, we have seen sex-linked traits and their inheritance. So before we start, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is out. So let's get started with the video. First of all, we will see sex-limited traits. So what is sex-limited traits? From the name only, we can see that it is limited. Okay, the traits that are limited to one sex. Okay, so these traits are limited to one gender. We can say either male or female. Right? From name only we can understand this. But how so? Basically, we will see this with an example. Okay, see, sex hormones. We know these are specific for male and female. Right? Like example, testosterone specific for male, and all the developmental reproductive system is basically on that things, right? And male specific are progesterone, estrogen, right? So these are controlling the secondary sexual characters. Secondary sexual characters, right? We know this. So these characters or traits, we can say these are limited, right? So your example is like breast development in females, right? So we are seeing specific examples here, and beard development in males, right? These are specific traits, okay, and these are related to secondary sexual characters, right? So these traits are actually related to the level of sex hormones, okay, level of sex hormones. So male specific hormones will produce these traits, and female specific hormones produce these traits, right? But see, these traits are actually controlled by autosomal genes, okay, autosomal genes means what? They are present in both the gender. Right, the genes are present in both the genders, both the sexes. Okay, but the activity of the genes are dependent on sex hormones. Right, activity of the genes are dependent on sex hormones. So this is sex limited trait basically. So now next thing we will discuss is influence trait. Sex influence traits. Okay, so these are also same like sex limited traits. Okay, that is limited to one sex. Okay, same like that, limited to one sex, right? Either male or female. But here, what is important? Dominance and recessive relationship, okay, of the alleles, right? What is important here? Dominance and recessive relationship of the alleles, right? So dominance and relationship of the allele is considered in this sex influence trait. So means what? Suppose this is allele X, it is dominant in one sex, right, and recessive in another. Okay, right. So suppose this is dominant in males, but recessive in female. Okay, just this is a explanation. Okay, so now we will see with the example. Example here is One of the example is pattern baldness. Okay, pattern baldness. This is an example of sex influence trait. Pattern baldness is what? Basically, loss of hair. Okay, loss of hair. Loss of hair, and this is common in males. Okay, and if it is present in females, we see a thickening of hairs. Okay, in females, there is no loss, there is no complete loss. Thickening of hairs is seen. Thickening of hairs, right? No complete loss. No complete loss of hair. Okay, so this is based on the allele, dominance and recessive relationship. Let's see what is this basically. See, this is the allele. I will write here genotypes. Right, this is homozygous dominant, homozygous recessive, and this is heterozygous condition. Now we are female and male. Okay, see this is the condition BB. We will see bald, both in male as well as female, bald phenotype. Okay, now see this condition heterozygote. Okay, heterozygote female is non-bald, and here males are bald. That this is common in male due to heterozygous condition, and females here in recessive non-bald, as well as here also non-bald. Okay, so this is basically dependent on genotype, alleles. Right, heterozygous condition females are non-bald, and heterozygous male are bald. So here we will see the phenotype in males, and here we will not see. Okay, when female will be suffering, when this is the condition dominant. Okay, and then we will see thickening of hairs. There is no complete loss of hair. Right, we can see some areas are having loss of hair, but not complete loss. Right, so this is also autosomal trait or autosomal gene, we can say, but dependent on it is also dependent on level of sex hormones. Got it? This is also dependent on level of sex hormones, and also this is the autosomal trait. Okay, so we will see with the picture now. See, this is a picture. We see this loss of hair in this area. See, complete loss. Right? See the starting stages. Okay, complete loss in female. This is in female. See, normal hair, and here is just a hair loss is there, but not complete. It's seen like thickening of hairs. It's seen. Okay, not as much as males are there. Okay, so this is the condition here. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. If this video helped you, let us know in the comment section.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please share it. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is out. Also follow us on all our social media pages, and you can join us on Telegram and stay connected for the latest updates. All links mentioned in the description section.